PAMFast is a versatile tool designed to drive screws in many applications, including Cortex for TimberTech advanced PVC decking. PAMFast makes it easy to install screws while standing. This creates a more ergonomic position and reduces back strain. The PAMFast tool's exclusive advancement technology keeps you working efficiently, effortlessly advancing to the next screw on the downstroke and eliminating jams and misfeeds. Setting up the tool for the Cortex application is easy. First, replace the standard PAM drive bit with the Cortex bit included with the screws. Then apply the plastic nose cover, also included in the box of collated Cortex screws. Next, ensure the nose piece is set to accommodate a 2.5-inch screw and the counter sink dial is set to 2 3/4 inches. When you drive the screw, a 1/4-inch countersink will automatically be created to accommodate the Cortex plug. It's important to operate the tool at 90 degrees to the work surface. This will ensure the full engagement of the screw in the joist as outlined in our installation instructions. It's also important that the last fastener in advanced PVC boards will be within a 1/2 inch of the end. Positioning the nose piece flush with the end will keep the screw at a 1/2 inch or closer. Before you begin any TimberTech advanced PVC decking installation, remember to review the full installation guides and videos available on TimberTech.com.